videos, and today I have for you guys my November sewing plans. As you know, last month was really rough on me, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't sort of overpromise on things and tried to stick with a couple key core projects that I was really excited about getting into. So the first one I have is doing my Cindy Longline Bra tutorial. So I recently hit my goal on Ko-fi for my next tutorial, and so I announced that this was going to be what was coming, and I hemmed and hawed over whether I wanted to do a bodysuit or the Longline Bra, and I ended up choosing the bra because I've made a couple versions of it and I just don't think it's something that I want to make a bodysuit out of just yet. So the fabric that I chose for the tutorial is this mirror satin stretch that I purchased from Bra Builders, and I just got a half yard length of it. So you can see it has a ton of stretch in this direction and hardly any stretch in this direction, but it is a knit fabric, so it doesn't have any fraying or things like that, which makes it perfect for lingerie. And I think that there is definitely enough stretch in there that I can make a pair of underwear to go with it, which I think will be really, really nice. The other thing that I purchased, because I was thinking I was going to make the bodysuit into a swimsuit, was I got 3 different fabrics. The first one, the main one, is going to be this green jade marbly looking fabric, and my idea is that this would be the center of the suits, and then it would kind of have that nice like defined waist that would come in and the color block, and it would make it really flattering and attractive. So this was going to be the center of the suit, and then I had 2 options for the outside, either green or black. I did ask on the KB Peeps Facebook group which people thought I should do. Most people said the black, but I think I'm actually going to go with the green instead. I just really like the combination of the green and the marble together. I think that, to me, that's what screams vacation and summer and warm and nice Caribbean water, is having like these nice green colors. So I'm going to use these 2 together. As I said, I don't think I'm going to use the Cindy bodysuit. I just don't think it's particularly flattering. So what I'm going to do is probably use the Cindy bodysuit body, so the pieces that come down here, and then I'm going to substitute in the Emerald Erin Black Beauty bra for the cups. I really like those cups, and I think they're flattering on me and they fit really well, so I think that that is what I want to do. But because I was going to sort of franken mash those 2 patterns together, I didn't think it made sense to show that as a representative tutorial of how to make the Cindy bodysuit. So I don't know if I'll get to my swimsuit this month. This one's sort of like on the back burner, just because obviously I don't have anywhere to use a swimsuit in a really long time. But I did pick up these fabrics, so I kind of wanted to show them to you. So, and then one project that I definitely want to get to this month is sewing this up, which is a really beautiful silk Dupioni. This came from Minerva Crafts. Actually, on the monitor there, it is looking quite a bit redder. In person, it's much more of deep burgundy, sort of rich toned color. I don't particularly love red on me, so I was a little surprised at this color when it came, because on the website it really looked more purple than red, but it's fine. I think what I'm going to do is make the So La Di Da Sweetheart dress, and I will pop up a picture of that pattern here. And the Sweetheart dress is something I purchased rather recently, but I've never gotten a chance to make. But I think it doesn't look too difficult. It just has sort of like a squarish neckline and then a circle skirt and long sleeves. So I don't think it'll be too hard, and I don't think it'll be too hard for me to get it to fit correctly, hopefully. And I'm thinking I'd submit this for my little red dress project, because I've never entered that, but I think it would be nice to enter it. I think this is close enough to red where I think that would work. And I kind of like the idea of having like a dressy, Christmassy dress that I could wear. I don't get invited to any parties, so I don't really have anywhere I could wear a dress up Christmas dress, but I think it would be nice to have something like that. So this is, as I said, silk Dupioni. It doesn't feel particularly luxurious, but so I think I'm going to line it in sort of like a black cotton or something like that against the skin, because it does have a little bit of a scratchiness to its like slubbiness, but I think it should make a really pretty dress. So I'm excited about getting that sewn this month. So those are the couple projects that I want to commit to for sure are going to be that Longline Bra tutorial and this dress, and then maybe the swimsuit if I get around to it. Hope you guys have enjoyed what I've shown you, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.